Hi everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Kumar V, heading the Department of Information Science and Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysore. Myself, I have completed my undergraduation from the institution Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering, Mysore in the year 1998, and then I completed my post-graduation in computer science from the same institution in the year 2001. After completion of my post-graduation, I've joined as a lecturer in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in AIT Chikmagalur from 2001. I worked for 4 years in that same institution till 2004. Later, I joined with Vemana Institute of Technology, Bangalore, as head of the Department of Information Science and Engineering. Then I worked for 2 years in the same institution. Later, I joined to this esteemed institution, a great institution, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, in the year 2006. From 2006 till 2016, I was heading the Department of Information Science and Engineering. Later, I moved to the Department of Computer Science and Engineering as head of the department. I served as head of the department about 5 years, and then I've been promoted as Dean, Faculty of Computer Sciences from 2022 to 2023. Then I moved back to the Department of Information Science as HOD. During this period, I also completed my doctoral degree in the year 2015 under the guidance of Dr. Raghuveer, professor from the Department of Information Science and Engineering, NIE Mysore. Now, during this as professor, head of the department, and as faculty, I could able to publish around 30 plus papers in leading journals and conferences. I could able to send proposals to the various funding agencies. I also been awarded as Best Teacher Award in the year 22-23. And coming to my area of interest, I am interested in especially in text mining. Adding to that, I am also interested in machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT. I could able to produce one PhD under the by name Ms. Pallavi, who completed under the area of IoT with fog computing. And I am just right now I am guiding 5 research scholars under different areas. And basically I am interested in areas like healthcare and other related AI related domains. And currently I am working at this institution as head of the Department of Information Science and Engineering. It's a great institution to work, and happy that I'm working in this institution. I'm serving the students for their to build their profile.
So, being a faculty of these institutions, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
First and foremost, I'm heading the Department of Information Science and Engineering. All said and done, even I'm a head of the department, I'm a teacher. So my role is to see that whatever I deliver to the student should be reached, should be accepted by the students. And being a head of the department, I have a lot of responsibility to play. I always believe that students' attitude, behavior, and the commitment and dedication are most important. I give most important to those things. Along with that, I always insist the students to work on other than academics, like I insist them to work on some projects, and then also I'll ask them to improve their coding skill through some competitive coding platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeChef. There are many platforms where they're able to improve their skills. And along with that, I also insist them to improve their skill sets by doing mini projects in every semester. And I'll also insist them to give some presentation during their class, and encourage them to participate in various activities like hackathon, codathon, ideathon, and various other competitive competitions. And I'll see that they perform to their potential, and I'll serve to their expectations. And also I'll see that my colleagues will also deliver to their expectations, and will encourage them to do some activities like workshops and many other things.
So, how do you tend to establish healthy relations with the students and fellow faculty members?
Okay. Handling the current generation is very challenging, because we see that students are very emotional, and after COVID, it has increased. That emotional intelligence and emotional things are increased much. Whenever any students approaches me, I'll see that they understand the objective of the department, objectives of the institution, and I'll see that whether the student or faculty or any stakeholder for that matter, I believe that I should maintain a good relation with them. They should go happily out of my, especially from my chamber. And with this good relation, I believe that they can able to perform better. And always I'll see that when they come with any request, wherever it is possible, I'll encourage them. If not, I'll convince them, saying that what is correct, what is not correct, so that they understand the importance of each and every objective, and so that the department will grow and the relation will also be healthy.
Sir, what are the best practices offered by the department to the students which will help them to gain necessary skills?
Okay. Now the best practice in the department is, there are many. One thing is, we'll make sure that every faculty members will deliver whatever the assignment given to them with their potential. The second thing is, we'll see that we believe that not only conducting regular classes or regular academic will not benefit the students community. So what we do is we encourage the students to participate in workshop. We conduct lots of workshops related to the need of the industry. We invite people from industry to conduct workshop. We'll see that we bridge the gap between industry and academia through these workshops. And we also invite people from industry, academia for technical talks. And we also invite alumni to share their experience. We believe that when the alumni comes and share their experience, they get motivated. Along with this, we also encourage the students to initiate some club activities. We have lots of clubs in the department. So through those clubs, we make the students to participate in various activities like, as I mentioned earlier, codathon, hackathon, ideathon, such kind of activities we'll conduct in the department. Along with that, we also have a skill lab. Through those skill labs, we'll make the students to acquire skills, additional skills, along with the regular curriculum, and so that they reach the expectations of the industry or meet the expectations of the industry. And these are the activities we conduct in the department. And also we motivate the students to participate in other activities along with regular co-curriculum. We will also encourage them to participate in extracurricular activities, and also we encourage them to participate in sports activities. They have won the awards to the department also through that, and many have won the prizes in the hackathon, codathon and ideathon activities also. So these are the best practices we have in the department. We believe that these extra activities always improve in skills of our students. Along with the regular co-curricular, there are extracurricular activities also students participate. Students of our department have represented themselves in various sports activities, and they have won the prizes at the institution level and the university level, state level, national level and international level also. There are few students who have represented the institution at the international level also. They have won the prizes. And we encourage the students to participate in cultural activity also. And for your information, students have won the prizes. Taranga, which was held by the Department of Information, ENC, they won the prize also in activity like Taranga, which is a cultural activity. So like this, students not only participate in with respect to the academics, they also participate in other activities also, and they have brought the laurels to the department.
So when you came to this college, what was your vision and how are you trying to achieve the same?
Okay. Now, I mentioned earlier I was in Vidyavardhaka Institute of Technology, Bangalore. There I have I gain some of the knowledge or the qualities of a leader. And also I have reported to this institution in 2006 as head of the Department of Information Science and Engineering. When I joined this institution, I could be able to see that there are lots of opportunities are there for me to make this institution to grow in a direction where the skills of the students can improve better, and we can make the department to grow in various angles. These were the things which I could be able to identify when I joined this institution. To achieve this, any vision can achieve through mission. So we started working, like conducting some activities and conducting activities for students like workshops, technical talk, and many more things. Along with that, that in order to make the students to gain knowledge, the most important things are the faculty members. So we started training the faculty members also in the required skills. We conducted various faculty development programs. We made the faculty members to interact with industry, go to the industry and see how exactly the good practices are there in those industries, bring those industry culture into the academics, share their experience. So with all these things, we started working with industry also. That has made us to bring those industry culture into the academics, and through that students could be able to get some internship opportunities and got job opportunities. So I mean to say that there was a lot of opportunity for me to make this institution to grow with respect to academics, with respect to placement, and with respect to the enhancing the skills. I could be able to achieve all those things with the support of magnanimous management and principal, and with all my colleagues' supports, I could be able to achieve many things in this institution.
So, what do you see the department's greatest strength?
The greatest strength of the department is our faculty members. We have very dedicated, knowledgeable faculty members in the department, and adding on to that, we get quality students into the institution. That quality of students, when they join hands with faculty members, they could be able to do exceptionally good in the department. I could be able to see that the placement in our institution, especially in the Department of Information Science, as we have achieved almost close to 100, and with the highest package of 28 to 30 lakh package also. Most of the students who have joined to our institution have placed in a very good company, reputed in this organizations, and they are coming back and sharing their experience with their juniors. So I could say that we have very good quality faculty members and quality students, and supportive management, principal. So these are the plus point of this great institution.
So, how did you train yourself to deliver this program to the students?
Very good question. If I want to stand before student for 1 hour, I should be resourceful. If I'm not resourceful, I think, for that matter, anybody cannot stand for 1 hour before students. What I usually do is, any new technology or a new concept comes, I used to learn those things. I'll usually spend some time. You believe it or not, during my walking time, I watch some videos through YouTube to understand the new technology. I believe that if I have a knowledge, then only I can face the student. Otherwise, no, I cannot. Nobody for that matter. So usually I spend some time to understand the current trends and technology. I work on those areas. I'll also give most importance to the research. So we believe that when we do research, then only we will be able to survive in teaching. So as I mentioned earlier, I have my 5 research scholars. I'll interact with them. I'll try to understand through them I'll acquire knowledge. Few things I'll acquire from them also. Along with that, I attend FTPs and then workshops, which will make me to gain knowledge. and also I'll interact with industry people. I'll also visit industry to understand the needs of the industry, so that I'll be able to talk to the students what is the need of the industry, how to prepare themselves. Those things we'll do. It's a continuous process. Along with that, I'll also acquire some leadership qualities through attending activities related to the leadership, improving the leadership qualities. So these are my readiness to run this program.
So, what valuable advice would you like to give to the students?
Okay. It's a very a challenging question to this generation. The valuable advice, if you are a student of any institution for that matter, first and foremost thing is, I advise them to have good attitude, be regular, be committed, dedication. Those are the three things which any student must have. I advise, don't depend only on curriculum. Curriculum is to understand the fundamentals. I believe if you are good at fundamentals, you will be able to face anybody. I advise, understand the fundamentals. That's why there are courses which are fundamental courses. Understand the fundamentals. Be strong in fundamentals. Spend time in understanding the fundamentals clearly. Whatever you learn, apply that by doing some projects, mini projects and other things. And being a student of information science and engineering, I insist you to be strong in coding, work on competitive coding platforms, and along with that, you should also learn additional courses through online mode. There are courses are available through Coursera and then many other online platforms, EDX, Infosys Springboard. There are many, like you will also have like NPTEL, and then Swayam, MOOC courses are available. Use those courses and try to prepare yourself, and whatever you learn, make sure that you will understand and you'll be able to present yourself in a better way. So most of the time your presentation makes a difference. You are good at your technically, but you are not good at your communication. It's not acceptable. So most of the time your presentation, the way you present, the way you talk to the people, the way you write mail matters a lot. So with good technical background, with better communication and dedication, hard working, and then proper attitude will make you survive. So that is what the message I want to send it to all the students. Thank you.